Hello my friends and welcome to another Tuesday of tutorial. I am Leonardo Pereznieto and today we will doodle. This will be a sketch of a sitting ballerina and I will do the shading by doodling. We begin with a circle for the head, then the shape of the face which will be looking down, the shoulders and her leg. This is the lower part of her leg, which is what we see because she is sitting. Her rounded calf and her foot, her other knee and her arm. We all have our own fears, and mine is that my drawings could look stiff. To try to remedy this, sometimes I do looser, not in detail sketches to avoid the dreadful stiffness that I fear. So on this one we will do some random loose lines, especially when shading. And for now these lines I want them to be flowing and somehow loose, not broken or erratic. Good, like this. And I will try to simplify the hands to a few lines. This one will have the fingers bent like tying a shoe, but I don't want too much detail. Just a few lines to give an idea. And the same for this other one, just a few lines that indicate the shape. I lighten the graphite a little bit so that we don't have a precise line that shows too much, because that would also make it stiff. I will switch leads to a slightly harder one with my handy 223 mechanical pencil to do the shading, which, as I told you, will be with doodling, just doodling. I switched again to a softer lead for these darker shadows and keep doodling. As I told you, it doesn't need to be very exact. The idea is that this sketch has more personality than precision. And talking about personality, let's do some wild ones in this outside area. Very good. Excelente. The last touches and it's ready. If you enjoyed it, please give it a like, share it to your friends and subscribe to find art tips. You know where to follow me, the links are below. And I will see you on Tuesday.